Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Nobo. My roll number is 125. Today I am gonna discuss you how to calculate present value, future value, and overall all the financial mathematics in Excel. First, we're gonna calculate present value and present value of annuity. For this, first we're gonna calculate normal present value. For this formula, PV, select the formula here. The rate 6%, the year 10 years. Well, we have no installment, so PMT is equal to 0. The future value is in minus figure and enter. The answer is came out, and when it's time for present value of annuity, we're gonna calculate this formula as PV. Select the formula. Now we have rates. For rates, we're gonna select 6, but as we have months, 12 months, so it's going to be divided by 12. Then the year, it's 10 years, multiply by 12 months. Then the payment is 1000 per month. The future value is in minus figure. Yeah, that's all. It's enter. The value is came out. That's the overall calculation of present value and present value of annuity. Now it's time for future value. To calculate future value, normal future value, the formula is equal FV. Select the formula, the first one. Then interest rate 8%, year 10 years, and then we have no installment, so 0, and the present value is in minus figure, and enter. Here's the result came out. And then the future value of annuity. For this we're gonna also use the same formula of future value. It's here, future value, the rate is going to be 8% divided by 12 months, it's over. Year is going to be 10 years multiplied by 12 months, and then the payment is 2000. Then the present value, well, if you notice the thing, they have a bracket, and that's why we are using minus. But what if we don't use the minus figure? Actually the minus and plus here indicate the inflow and outflow of cashes. So if we don't use minus figure here, as we just normally select that and press the enter, the figure that we find is in red color. It means that it's outflow, and when we are using minus figure, it's in black figure, it's indicating the cash inflow. So that was the stuff for future value and future value annuity. Now it's time for net present value. So net present value, to calculate the net present value, I did it before. First I should remove the stuffs. Now to calculate net present value, it's equal NP we select the formula, and here have two things, the rate and the values. Our rate is 15% here. Then the values are going to be start from 1 to 5. As we know, the year 0 value shows the initial investment, and that one is going to be minused, and that's why we will finish the formula here. It's bracket, then we're gonna minus the initial investment of 15 lakhs. It's enter. Yeah, that's the answer. And for project B, it's gonna be the same, equal NPV. Then select the formula, the rate is 15%, and the values are from here to here. It's from year 1 to year 5. Then we don't have anything else. Well, they have a mistake. First, the rate colon the values are here to here. Yeah, that's it. Finish the formula and minus the initial investment. Yeah, and here's the, it's in percentage, so we're gonna transfer it in dollar. That's all. And then The present value of bond, it's normally calculate what is the present value of a bond if you buy today, calculating all the opportunities and other stuffs. I should remove this. So we're gonna calculate the present value of bond with the same formula of PV, present value. So the formula is PV, present value. The rate is going to be 12%. The year is uh, maturity 20 years. Well, now it's time for payment. Here the payment is the initial monthly payments that you are getting. It's going to be the per face value multiplied by the coupon interest rate. And then the future value, we know the future value is the face value, so here's the face value and enter. Yes, we find out the value. Now it's time for internal rate of return. To calculate the internal rate of return, well, I'm write this here again. Let me first color the stubs and then here IRR. Yes, for the first one. For the first one, it's for the formula is equal IRR. Here we can see that select the things and values. The values are all the values that are mentioned here. Yes, and enter. Yes, we find out the values. As you can see here, I did it before, and both are same. And now for this one, it's going to be the equal IRR values. The values are all the values. Enter. It's over. So those are the stuffs. Then the calculation